Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of Sundays with Sully. Thank you guys for tuning in. As always, if you're not subscribing to our YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook, go ahead and give us a follow down there in the corner somewhere or whatever. There's a subscribe, like button. Go ahead and hit that, share it, tell your friends about us. And now that I got all that out of the way, what are we talking about today? Today we are talking about Garmin's PowerSwitch. This is been just released, and it was aimed at the outdoor market for UTVs, side-by-side snowmobiles, four-wheelers, Jeeps, things like that when you want to add an electronics accessory. So why are we talking about that on Sundays with Sully? Well, I bet a lot of you guys probably have some of those cool toys and have paid people to wire it up, or you've wired it up yourself and you know the joys and struggles of trying to wire up aftermarket accessories into these things. So that's where this guy comes in. I also think this has some potential use in the marine industry for your smaller center consoles. You want to do some digital switching, and Garmin, if you're listening, make this work on one helm. Bring this into the marine world. This is short money digital switching, and it doesn't have to work on an MFD. In this case, it actually works on an iPad, iPhone, tablet, or the Garmin, what is this thing called? Tread. That's another device we're going to be talking about here in the weeks ahead. So it's got a lot of functionality to it. So, all right, talked all about it. What is it? What does it do? It's literally digital switching. We're going to go ahead and hook it up. As you see here, I've got Macris industry lighting set up here. So I've gone ahead and we're going to do a quick little trial as I go ahead and get this set up. We'll kind of go over it here. As you can see, very simple, very easy. We've got two mounting ears here on the box. Comes with a power and negative cable ready to go. We twist this little knob right here and the cover comes off. You can see as I've already wired it here for the power negative. The only thing you're bringing into here are the powers. Your grounds are going to go get shared across the ground negative bus. So in this case, these grounds are coming back into our negative bus below here on the table. So very easy to wire in. So what we're going to do is we're going to wire in these two lights right here real quick for you guys. And let's see what we got. Very easy. Like I said, this is all Bluetooth controlled. I'll show you here momentarily on the app, but it is addressable, meaning you can give these lights names. You can decide the brightness or dimness of said lights. You can control it with a keyed on ignition, so when the key turns on, it turns on your radio, or if you wanted to automatically turn on your forward lights or something like that, you have that functionality and you have that ability built into that. So that's kind of slick little feature they've got built into it. Like I said, we're just wiring this thing up quick for here. There's a pairing button on here, so as soon as you get it, you hit pair. It does the normal Bluetooth blue light flashing until it pairs up with the iPad, iPhone, or Garmin Tread. And so we've gone ahead, we've got this all paired up, we got this set up. Now, as you can see, if I just hit these buttons, you can see I have mechanical. If you just want to mount this maybe on your side-by-side where it's easy to get at, you have your switching right here, and I can turn on my lights with just pushing the button. Very easy, very simple. But now, if we wanted to mount this out of sight, out of mind, that's where the app comes in here. And I can go in here and I can go ahead and turn this light on. I can turn it on and off. You can see right from the app, it'll also tell me my voltage right there. But if I want to, I can go into edit and say edit, I want to go to the light bar. And now you'll see here, I can turn the light bar on and I can control just how bright or how dim I want it. You see they give a very nice graphical representation as well while I'm doing that of what that looks like on the bar. It'll also allow for momentary. It also allows for strobe. We can do a strobe light right there. You can see it strobing on and off. So we've got some functionality built into it. Very easy to set up, very easy to use. We can also go ahead, you see across the bottom part of the screen right here where it says custom, I've gone in and set up some different scenes. So if I want to hit this, now we're strobing, as you can see, and probably driving the camera crazy here. We've gone ahead and now we have the strobe feature. Hit it again, turns it off. I turn on scene one. That brings both these lights. They've been dimmed down so they're not so bright, but we have the ability to build these custom buttons in here. And as typical with Garmin, very easy to use, very easy to set up, and that's it. I mean, it's great. It's a great solution. Short money. You can do up to 6 loads on here, so you've got your different lights and things like that. Maybe, like I said, you've got a UTV or a Jeep, you can do your rock lights, your light bars, your forward lights, your back lights, whatever you want to do. You have that functionality built in to this. It's great, and like I said, it's all running off of the app, so it's very easy to use. And as I mentioned, they also have the Garmin tread that this will sync into. I'll be doing a feature on that here soon, because I'm going to be taking this and that and installing them into my Jeep and freeing up a lot of wiring that I had running all over and make things very simple. So just want to show you guys this. It's a little something different, but thinking outside the box application wise, you want to get into digital switching on your boat, just be able to control things from your phone. This is a good solution for that. Garmin, like I said, if you're listening, bring something like this over to the marine side from One Helm. I think it'd be a huge home run for you guys. That's it. That's all I've got. That's this week's Sundays with Sully. As always, thanks for watching. Give us a follow on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook to stay up to date with the latest marine tech trends and tips. I got a lot of stuff in the works for you guys. Took a field trip down to North Carolina. Did some stuff down there we're going to be showing you guys in the weeks ahead. And we've got some other cool stuff coming out there. So, yeah, that's it. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, guys. Peace.